Do you know that you too can design a tools like this using Python? So let's run these tools and see how it is. So this is just like a Python GUI port scanner. So you can see here from here like this. So you enter to example.com. Let's say example.com. Scanning port from port 1 to port 20, and then scan. Let's see what it will give us. So do you see that you too can design some tools like this, starting from port scanning to carry out all the chains of starting from reconnaissance down to exploitation, even post exploitation and covering of track. So please stay tuned as we continue in this series. And so welcome to Python programming series. Do you know that most hackers use automations to carry out their attacks? And so you too must learn how to automate your processes outside Linux operating system or outside using the third-party tools. So you can actually build your own tools, ranging from port scanning, reconnaissance tools, exploitation tools, and even more, just like the example you are seeing on the screen here. So why do we use Python? Python is important because it is very simple as ABCD. So it's very simple and it has a simplest syntax to be able to understand, and if you can be able to understand 1, 2, 3 or ABCD, I believe you're able to understand the Python. That is why we need Python, and it has massive libraries that we can use, so we don't need to build so many libraries by ourselves. It has many massive libraries, and it also cross-platform. You can use it from different platforms. You can use it on the web. You can use it on the desktop. You can also use it. Can be a terminal-based program, so it can be used at different platforms. That is why Python is very important. And so don't stress yourself. So please stay tuned on this series as we dive in Python programming for ethical hacking. Thank you. See you as we continue in this course.